guys, it's Faber from Faber's Life, and today I will be making a DIY slime video. And as you can see, this is my first video on my first channel. So make sure you comment down below and also subscribe down below because I would like to hear some questions from you guys. So let's go on to this video. What you'll need is Elmer's glue, shaving cream, contact solution, and food color. The first thing you'll need to do is get some Elmer's glue and pour it into the bowl. The next thing you'll need to do is grab your shaving cream and pour it into the bowl. And then just grab your spoon and mix it until it gets smooth. So the next thing you'll need to do is grab your food coloring, and the food coloring I'm going to choose is some red food coloring and some yellow food coloring. And what you'll need to do is put about 4 to 5 drops of the food coloring you picked. Now that I've added Elmer's glue, shaving cream, and food coloring, what you're going to need to do is add some contact solution into the bowl and mix it up until it gets sticky. Some bad news. So the slime that I made earlier, it was a huge disaster. So I'm just going to show you the pink slime that I made after that orange slime. So this pink slime, I really like it because pink is my favorite color. It's really useful and it also helps with stress. So I'm just going to end this video. Make sure you comment down below and subscribe. Ask any questions that you need to ask me. And have a great day. Bye! Hi guys, today Ew, why is it so blurry? Is this a bad thing? Why is it shaking? How is it supposed to focus? It's not focusing. Focus. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's Faber from Faber's Life, and today stop it! Hi guys, it's Faber from Faber's Life, and today grow up! guys. Grandma, don't talk.